Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Know which keyboard app is active and that you can unlock the phone. Open Settings now, then go to Apps or Installed Apps to find your keyboard entry. Once done, tap the keyboard app to view permissions and defaults. This is where pop-up behavior is often controlled. Make sure the keyboard isn't set as a floating or accessibility input. If you see Open by default or Appear on top, you're in the right place to take the first actions. Once you've located the keyboard, change the default to Samsung Keyboard or another trusted app to stop unexpected pop-ups. Go to System Languages and Input and choose Default Keyboard. Next, go back to the App Info page and revoke Display over other apps or Overlay Permission. This prevents the keyboard from appearing above other apps. Also open the keyboard's own settings and disable any floating or chat head mode. This removes the small. To finish, restart your Samsung so system input services reload with the new defaults. This often resolves lingering pop-ups. If the keyboard still appears, return to App Info and clear cache or data, then reopen and reconfigure preferences. Clearing removes corrupted overlays. If problems persist, boot into safe mode to check for third-party apps causing overlays. Uninstall any recently added keyboards or utility apps. One troubleshooting tip. If safe mode fixes it, remove the offending app and reinstall only from trusted sources.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.